What's up guys, Boss Station Beauty back with another video, and I am currently shopping at IKEA. I have never been to IKEA before, and this is actually my first time, and my mom is over there looking at the stuff, but I don't know. IKEA, I heard, is very freaking huge, and y'all, I can see this mirror, look. Don't mind me. I'm looking like real plain Jane today, but look at this shower. That is so pretty. Look at the tile on the wall. Like, that is so gorgeous. Wow. This closet. Oh, look, it's clothes in here. Like, ooh, cute shoes. Very cute shoes. And also, like, I noticed like IKEA is very always known as it being very crowded. So yeah, if you could see me, I have my heels on today, feeling very like cute. I just need to grab my basket before anybody grabs my basket because I just don't need that. Like an apartment. Yeah. I love this setup. Like, look at this. This is very pretty and it's so different. I love how I was about to say computer. The TV is on the wall. Pictures. That's a very different light, but that's a lot of black. I'm not much of a huge fan of black like that, but okay. This is actually what I wanted to see. Like, this is very pretty. I love the colors. Like, so pretty. So pretty. I love the painting on the wall. It's very pretty. This is like more my style because I'm such a girly girl. So I really like adore this. Oh, look at the kitchen. I love being in the kitchen. So this is like so pretty. I love this. I love it. Oh my. Look how gorgeous. Dude. And I love pink. So like, it's just perfect. Refrigerator. Oh, I always love these refrigerators. Always with the 3. So pretty. I love the stove. This is pretty. With the pot. Oh, yes, I love freaking cooking. Cooking is very my style. And I probably will do a cooking vlog one day of me cooking. And let's continue. I need, look at this, $5.22 for this entire thing. I need this. Oh my gosh. This red is just not my type, but this is perfect. You know, I am a writer, so this would be, yes, this would be so perfect. So perfect. I think I might get it. I don't know. This is just
20 minutes later.
Hello, this is Ariana calling from Boss Station Beauty headquarters. How may I help you? Oh, I'm sorry, she's not in today. This is my future kitchen. Oh my goodness, just like, oh my, dude, look at the lights. So I am looking for a new mirror, and that one's $149. This one is, I mean, it's cute. And they have this one. This one's $30. Floor mirror, and you know it's on the wall. Okay, that's not a bad price for it to be $30, but I like this one because this one's $100. And this looks like this would really fit on the wall. I could be posing. Really am in love with this one. Look how big it is. Like, oh my gosh, this is perfect. Like, dude. And this one is $130. So IKEA was very interesting. Biggest store of my life. Like, literally, I felt like it was 5 stores in one big store. Like, every little store, every little part was different. Keynote, don't wear heels in a huge warehouse like that, because yeah. But it did strengthen my ankle, so I need to bundle up because it is cold. So mad I wasn't filming because the cashier, she grabbed my coat that was in the cart, and I was just like hello. And it was so funny. She was like, oh my gosh, I thought it was a blanket. And I'm like, no, it was my coat, because I'm like, I didn't even get anything. I just went in there to go look, but my mom did get some things.
20 minutes later.
So, but yeah, I found that so funny. I'm just mad I didn't get it on film. But that is a wrap for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and to turn on your post notifications. Miss Boss Nation Beauty is up. Bye, nations.